Video Science, the States of Water, with Mr. Jaffe. What is it that can take the form of any container you pour it into? It's good for both plants and people and animals to drink. It can be a solid, a liquid, and even a gas. See the steam coming out of the kettle? When this stuff hits the air after it heats up, it forms steam. What is it? I'm talking about water! Do you know the 3 states of water? The 3 states that water can exist in. First of all, we've got the liquid. The way it comes out of the faucet, when you turn on the faucet to get a drink of water, you wash the dishes or you take a bath, that's the liquid water. But water can also be a solid. What about when you go in the freezer to get your ice cubes or you go out in the snow and it's cold? Solid. It's got shape. And what about when water is a gas? Water comes out of the kettle. When the kettle heats up, all the vapor comes out, and when the vapor hits the air, you see the condensation and it becomes steam. The 3 states of water: liquid, solid, gas. How does it change? Temperature. You've got to change the temperature. If you want to change the state of water, to go from a liquid to a solid, the temperature's got to go down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want to change from a solid back into a liquid, the temperature has to go up from 32 degrees to room temperature. And if you want to change from a liquid to a gas, the temperature has to go all the way up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a lot of temperature changes. Don't just hear about it, let's observe it at home. Here I am in the kitchen. Remember, kids, don't do any of this unless an adult is helping you. I've got a skillet on the stove. I've got some energy being released as heat down here coming into the skillet. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ice cubes. That's water in its solid state. Let's check it out. I'm going to put the frozen water or the ice into the pan. If we look close, we don't even have to look that close to see the water vapor heating up, changing from the solid to a liquid to a gas. Right here we can see it, and we can see the steam coming up. That's when the hot water vapor comes up and hits the air. It turns back into tiny droplets of water called steam. Be careful not to get too close because everything that's happening here is hot. Now that we see what happens, I'm going to turn it off. Anybody want some fried water? Let's get cooking. I'll see you next time on Video Science. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Scrambles, do you like science?